Hey, I'm Kayla with WTI, and if you have an oak tree in your yard, then you know how pesky those cute little acorns can be. Well, let me tell you how to solve that problem. This amazing acorn picker-upper from Zozen has saved us so much trouble. We specifically are using them for acorns. I really appreciated the spherical design of the basket that collects all the acorns in place. The metal wire around it has some elasticity, which allows the acorns to flow in the basket, but it's sturdy enough to trap them in there. What's awesome about this design too is there is a little dump chute on the side of it, so literally I can empty it one-handed. This one has an adjustable handle too, so no matter whoever is collecting the acorns in our family, we can adjust it to a comfortable size. I really appreciated that it had a nice foam wrapped handle too, because it just adds to the sturdiness and comfortableness when we're using it. It's so easy to use, just applying a little pressure and rolling it across the acorns. I am amazed at just how many start collecting in the basket. We found that it specifically collects the acorns really well in lower grass areas, or especially the sandy areas. They literally just flow right in there, and our basket filled up so quickly. From the handle to the basket, this was really designed well and makes picking up acorns so much easier. We don't have to worry about raking them or bending over to pick them up. Simply using this and rolling it across the grass does all the hard work for us. So if you have an acorn problem, I would highly suggest checking out this acorn picker-upper from Zozen. It's super practical, it's efficient, and you will be blown away at just how quickly all those acorns are collected. But that's just our point of view.